better watch out, cause here it comes.
Tell them who you is, fam. Let them know what the fuck you is.
Casino. Look. You see, these haters don't get me. I know that they envy. We putting money in the bank, they take it on empty. Let's call the toll service. See, they so worthless. Since the thought of being broke, they got me so nervous. Cold sweating nightmares, no Rolex, night gas. Bitches on their period, cold text, light flares. None of that. Strip clubs, 100 stacks. I make it rain on every bitch in the club. I double back. I do a couple laps. Tell me who can front on that. Everybody talking about money, I'm where the money at. COD, they call that cash on delivery. Haters, yeah, they envy me. I show them no sympathy, but instead I make sure they get fed. I toss them a loaf of wonder like, now you getting bread, but the bread that I get is described as different. And bitches look at my cock, they tell me it's magnificent. And I'm indifferent to all the hating. I'm from DC, but I done moved to Dayton, and the day don't start till the blunt lit. So come quick, any given time I'm dropping that high 1-6. All these nasty thoughts, I'm the raspy short. Blue jeans, long tee, khaki shorts. Shit don't matter what the outfit be. Niggas on the track.